What's going on, y'all? What up? What up? It's Every Penny Counts, and I'm gonna do a cash out on this site earnably. Of course, the link will be in the description for you to sign up today, so you can make this easy money like I am. You see here at the top, I have $12.14, 1,214 points basically, but that's $12.14. I'm gonna cash out maybe like $10, but first and foremost, I'm gonna show you my routine on here. It's very, very simple. As soon as you log in, there's like the home page right here. This is what you're gonna see. All of these right here. Now what I do is go over here to earn, go to daily surveys, and focus on these. Now I'm gonna tell you which ones work really good. Your surveys, now it says delayed crediting, but when they say delayed crediting, it's like 5 minutes. I mean, it's not like, you know, days or anything like that. 5 minutes, that's the only reason they say delayed. Theorem reach, they pay good. They also pay disqualification points. Say so rewards is a good one. And survey time, the surveys are like 5 to 10 minutes, so they're not that long. And pole fish is a really good one. It's kind of hard to catch the pole fish surveys because they're literally like, you know, 1 to 5 minutes being the longest survey they have on that. But you know, when you catch them, they're easy, they're quick, you know what I'm saying? So it's easy, quick money to do that. So this is what I focus on when I first log on to the site. Then you go over here to earn, you can go to offer walls, and I do Peanut Labs as well. Peanut Labs also offers disqualification points, and Peanut Lab surveys are not hard. Like, most people qualify for Peanut Labs. So if you're on this site, you know, definitely check out Peanut Labs if you're struggling to qualify for surveys, because, you know, they always do well and throwing you easy surveys that really, you know, a lot of people can qualify for. And they're not just looking for like a certain small group of people. They're looking for, you know, a broad range of demographics. So definitely try Peanut Labs if you're struggling to get credited for like your surveys and the survey time and say so rewards and things like that. Also, they have AdSense Media, AdGate rewards, Offer Turo, you know, these other offers. But these three right here are really like my favorite ones on any site, because they always, you know, have really good offers on here. On Offer Turo, you can do things just like, you know, watch videos with AdSense Media. Let me show you that real quick. Just the video section, click on this, and it'll have videos that you can watch if you kind of scroll down. Let me show you. Well, actually, I think because it's different on so many sites, but I think this site in particular, this site in particular has its own video section. So you just go here to videos, Hideout TV and Video Fox. This is where you're going to make your money with the videos. You know what I'm saying? You just click on one of them. Hideout TV. This is basically just letting 3 videos play, and then you get credited, you know, for every 3 videos. So on this one, it's 0.7 points for that. Like I say, you just click on any one of these tabs, let 3 videos play, and you'll get credited 0.7 points like this. If I want to do this, I click on celebrity, and you see here, open up in a new window to get started, tap 0.7. Like I said, 3 videos, bam, you're good. Very simple to do, just making money watching videos. All right, so that's the video section, easy money there. If you want to redeem, they have lots of options as well when it comes to that. They have PayPal, they have Amazon. You see this 125. You can cash out the minimum of $1 on this site. You know, they have Walmart, they have Target, they have eBay. Just going down, they got PlayStation, they got Uber, they got Burger King, they got Domino's, a lot of different restaurants they have here. So there's definitely something on here that you can find that you would like to get. But like I said, the minimum on here to cash out is $1. And I'm gonna show you that right here with PayPal and Amazon. They're basically the same thing. But you'll see here, to get $1, you have to have 125 points. To get $2, $2.25. But once you get to $5, it gets even. You know what I'm saying? And then when you get to 50, it's actually a discount. So, you know, just know that you can qualify. You can actually cash out with $1. That's really good, because it doesn't take long at all to make $1. They also have an auto redeem section. The auto redeem, there's a 1% fee for it. You know, just so you know that off top. But basically, once you reach 125 points, it'll automatically redeem your money. So let's say like I'm going to cash out $10 in this video. If I want to click auto redeem, first I have to pay a 1% fee. But, you know, as soon as I get 1,000 points, it'll automatically send me my $10 straight to my PayPal. So, I mean, if it's something you want to do, you know, you can do it. But if not, you can always cash out the regular way by doing it, you know, just manually. So that's what I'm going to do now. $10 cash out. I'm going to click redeem now for that. And just that simple, y'all. All you gotta do is click on redeem, and it's gonna send you your money. All right, that probably takes like a day to get to me. but it's never long. You see here my balance went down to $2.14. So I'm gonna get it back up, right after this video. Just putting in that work, doing the same routine I just showed you. So you just put in all your, the reason it just showed me that because I already have all my PayPal information, linked up to it. So, I'm good. But easy site to make money with. Just come on here, do a couple surveys. They have disqualification points in certain offer walls. So, it's really up to you, to do that. So like I said, the link is in the description for you to sign up today, get paid, making this free money. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe because I'm showing you guys all the time how to make money completely free with no money out of your pocket. All right, so definitely subscribe to my channel. Get started with this site by clicking on the link in the description, signing up, confirm your email, all that good stuff. Get started making easy money, taking surveys and watching videos. Very, very easy to do. All right, so that's it for this video. And always remember, every penny counts.